What is voice-activated cooking?
Voice-activated cooking uses smart speakers and devices with built-in voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to help you make meals more easily. Instead of searching for recipes or setting timers by hand, you simply speak commands aloud. This hands-free approach streamlines kitchen tasks, making cooking more convenient, especially when your hands are full or messy.
How smart kitchens hear you.
Smart kitchens are equipped with devices that recognize and respond to your voice. Microphones in smart speakers or displays pick up your spoken requests, such as asking for a recipe or adjusting an appliance's settings. Advanced software interprets your words, transforming them into actions. This technology is designed to filter out background noise, so your commands are accurately understood, even in a busy kitchen.
Connecting to IoT kitchen appliances.
Many kitchen appliances, such as ovens, refrigerators, and coffee makers, are now part of the Internet of Things, or IoT. This means they can connect to your home Wi-Fi and communicate with your voice assistant. When you give a command, such as preheating the oven or checking if you're out of milk, the assistant relays your instructions to the appliance, making automation simple.
Simplifying everyday cooking tasks.
With a voice-activated kitchen, you can follow recipes step by step, set multiple timers, convert measurements, and check ingredient substitutes, all by speaking. Voice commands let you adjust oven temperatures, start the dishwasher, or make grocery lists without touching any controls. This can save time, reduce errors, and make multitasking much easier, especially during busy meal prep.
Benefits and considerations.
Voice-activated kitchens enhance accessibility and efficiency, whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook. They're great for people with limited mobility and can make cooking safer by reducing the need to touch buttons or screens. However, privacy and compatibility should be considered when setting up a smart kitchen, as not all appliances and voice assistants work together seamlessly.